Imagine a world where music creation is effortless and accessible to all. Suno AI is revolutionizing music creation with version 3. Generate original music with realistic instrumentals and compelling lyrics. Experience groundbreaking features, enhanced audio quality, and multi-language support. Suno AI version 3 redefines musical expression. Suno AI version 3 represents a significant leap forward in AI-powered music creation. This latest iteration introduces a symphony of innovative features, each meticulously designed to enhance your creative control. At the heart of Suno AI version 3 lies a commitment to delivering an unparalleled user experience. The platform's intuitive interface empowers both seasoned musicians and aspiring artists. Suno AI version 3 provides the tools and flexibility to bring your sonic dreams to life. Suno AI version 3 sets a new standard for audio fidelity in AI-generated music. Pristine sound quality is paramount to a captivating musical experience, and no effort has been spared in refining the audio generation engine. The result? Music that is richer, clearer, and more nuanced than ever before. Every note, every chord, every subtle inflection is rendered with exceptional clarity, bringing musical creations to life with breathtaking realism. But the innovation didn't stop there. The instrument library has been expanded to include a wider array of acoustic, electronic, and orchestral instruments, each meticulously sampled to capture its unique sonic character. From the warm resonance of a grand piano to the raw power of a distorted guitar, Suno AI version 3 empowers exploration of a vast palette of sonic colors and textures. With Suno AI version 3, music will not only sound better, it will feel more alive, more engaging, and more emotionally resonant. Section 4. Breaking Language Barriers, a Global Orchestra. Music is a universal language, capable of transcending cultural and linguistic boundaries to forge deep emotional connections. With Suno AI version 3, we are breaking down those barriers even further by introducing multi-language support. Now, you can generate music and lyrics in a wide range of languages, opening up a world of creative possibilities. Imagine crafting a heartfelt ballad in Spanish, a pulsating dance track in Korean, or a soulful blues song in French. With Suno AI version 3, the only limit is your imagination. This groundbreaking feature not only empowers artists from diverse linguistic backgrounds, but also fosters cross-cultural collaboration and understanding through the power of music. Suno AI version 3 empowers you to create music that speaks to the heart of humanity, regardless of language or location. Section 5. The Power of Precision, Prompt, Adherence, and Action. Creative control is paramount when it comes to music creation. That's why Suno AI version 3's prompt adherence capabilities have been significantly enhanced, ensuring that the music generated aligns precisely with the artistic vision. Advanced algorithms have been meticulously trained on a massive dataset of music and lyrics, enabling Suno AI version 3 to interpret text prompts with remarkable accuracy and nuance. Now, detailed instructions can be provided on everything from the overall mood and style to specific instrumentation, tempo changes, and lyrical themes, and Suno AI version 3 will translate the vision into reality with astonishing precision. This enhanced prompt adherence empowers users to shape every aspect of their musical creations, giving unprecedented control over the creative process. Section 6. From Sound to Song. A new era of music creation. Imagine humming a melody into your phone and having it instantly transformed into a fully fledged song, complete with instrumentals and lyrics. With Suno AI version 3's revolutionary sound-to-song tool, this seemingly futuristic concept becomes a reality. This groundbreaking feature allows you to use your voice or any audio input as the foundation for a brand new song. Simply hum, sing, or even record a melody snippet. And Suno AI version 3's intelligent algorithms will analyze the audio, extract the melodic and harmonic information, and use it to generate a unique and compelling musical composition. Whether you're a seasoned songwriter seeking inspiration or a complete novice with a melody stuck in your head, the Sound to Song tool opens up a world of creative possibilities. Section 7. Join the Suno AI revolution. Suno AI version 3 is more than just a software update. It's a testament to the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the realm of music. With its enhanced audio quality, multi-language support, improved prompt adherence, and revolutionary sound-to-song tool, Suno AI version 3 empowers anyone to unlock their creative potential and experience the joy of music creation like never before. We invite you to join the Suno AI revolution and explore the boundless possibilities of AI-powered music creation. Try Suno AI version 3 today and let your imagination run wild. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI and music. Together, let's redefine the future of musical expression.